Hey everybody, Noah here with MarineMax in St. Pete. We are standing on a Sea Ray 270 SDX here. It's a beautiful, bright, sunny day. Boating season's right around the corner, so why not take a peek at the Sea Ray 270 for maybe your first boat? So come aboard, Morgan. We are going to step into the cockpit here. You'll notice that there is, just tons of seating. So if you're looking to entertain, cruise around the beaches, cruise on down to different restaurants or bars, this might be the boat for you. Simrad right here, that's going to show you all of your navigation and all of your marine electronics. Anything Mercury related is also going to be integrated into that screen as well. You do have a head on board with a freshwater sink. Then finally, as we make our way to the bow, you'll notice that you have a ton of room to hang out, entertain, as well as a windlass anchor for when you want to stern into the beach. This is MarineMax St. Pete. Noah Luke here. We'll see you guys out in the water.